Welcome back. Well, beauty out there today. Clouds, though, on the increase as we round out the week and head into the weekend. And rain chances ramping up as well, especially late Saturday going into Sunday, where we do expect widespread rains. Hopefully not a whole lot of rain. We're going to say a ½ inch to maybe an inch of rain. We'll get to that in just a bit. First off, though, let's take a look at the big picture as we look at the water vapor imagery. And again, we're still under the influence somewhat of a ridge of high pressure, but that is fleeting as the subtropical jet stream is getting ever so closer to us. That usually means cloudy and wet conditions, very typical in an El Nino winter. And we have one upper level low still producing big snows in the Rockies. Another disturbance that's going to be coming on through, and that's going to be our next weather maker as we get into the weekend while that subtropical jet slowly inches eastward. You can see all the precip back to the west, showers busting out across the Texas Panhandle and then up across the high plains. And on the cold side, lots of winter going on. Still more heavy rains for California. I looked at some of the rain totals so far over the last, just going back to February 1st, more than 15 inches of rain in spots across SoCal, and that's more than anywhere else in the country. So it's quite unusual when LA is setting the rainfall record for the rest of the country. And you can see winter storm warnings continue for portions of the Sierra Nevada and through the mountains of the Rockies, going through Arizona into New Mexico, Colorado, and Utah as well. Meanwhile, for us, it's been a nice day with the high clouds streaming across the area. It's mostly sunny skies and then partly sunny skies and then a little cloudy period, and then the sun comes back out. Couldn't ask for better. Temperatures topping out in the lower 70s, and we'll be there again tomorrow. Tonight, though, we're going to be closer to the 50s with a breeze coming out of the south, out of the Gulf of Mexico, but it's going to be a damp breeze, meaning you're going to feel the humidity starting to come in from the Gulf of Mexico, which kind of makes it feel cooler at times. And then going into tomorrow, mostly cloudy skies, a few spotty showers, rain chance at about 20%. Tomorrow night, temperatures hold in the 60s. And as we head into Friday, a few spotty showers once again. Maybe a little sun Friday afternoon. We'll take that. But look at the temperatures here, pushing the mid, maybe even the upper 70s. But again, we are cooled by the shelf waters close to the coast. And then as we head into Friday evening, maybe a few spotty showers as we get into our Friday night parade. And then going into Saturday, dry to start out and mild, but then as we head into the afternoon, we should see some scattered showers. We got to bring in the Euro for that. So there could be some shower activity for the Bonaparte Parade in Lafayette. We'll see. Not going too high in the rain chances, but we're not going too low, 50–60% range. And then Sunday, you can see where we're going to see a good soaking more than likely. That system moves out. Lingering clouds for our Monday as we get to the Queen's Parade going into Monday evening. It's going to be wind chilly. Temperatures dropping through the 50s into the 40s, and there's going to be some wind. And then we get to Mardi Gras morning. Hold your horses here. Anybody doing the chicken runs out in the country, temperatures mid to upper 30s, wind chills in the low to mid 30s. So it's going to be a cold start to Mardi Gras. So layer up under your costumes. But then by the afternoon, we should get into the mid to upper 50s, mostly sunny skies, and at least it will be a dry Mardi Gras. As for rainfall, between Saturday and Sunday, we're not expecting a lot, a ½ inch, maybe an inch of rain. Latest models really painting the central and northern part of the state with the best chance of a big soaking. So that's what we'll go with as well. And we'll evaluate the latest GFS model that's just coming up on Acadiana's News Channel at 6. And stay tuned for that. We're going to use a little augmented reality on our 6 o'clock newscast as well. Mid 50s overnight tonight, then for tomorrow, back into the low to mid 70s. And again, the warmth tempered by the cloud cover and that breeze coming off the cooler Gulf of Mexico. We stay in the lower to mid 60s for Thursday night, Friday morning, and then Friday afternoon, basking in the mid 70s. Hopefully a little sun for Friday because we won't see much, if any, sunshine this weekend. So overnight tonight, we'll see temperatures dropping down to 56 for a low. Clouds begin to thicken on later on tonight. High clouds and some clouds coming out of the Gulf of Mexico as well. So that's going to hold our temperatures up. A little bit of a southeasterly breeze. That breeze up until about midnight or so. Then it dies down thereafter. temperature. Then for tomorrow, mostly cloudy day. It's going to be breezy and mild. 73 the high. Gusty south to southeast winds, especially in the afternoon. And it will be breezy again on Friday with those spring-like temperatures. Mild now going 78. This weekend, mild with rain chances ramping up. Scattered activity Saturday. More widespread activity Sunday. Toning it down Monday. And there's your chilly Mardi Gras, starting out in the upper 30s and finishing out in the upper 50s to near 60 degrees. But at least it should be mostly sunny. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up right after the break.